So today I'm going to quickly show you how to withdraw your money from the new Vanguard app. So we have the app loaded up in real time. So let's go ahead and show you step by step on how to do this. So when you load up the app, this is the page that it's going to take you to. So if you want to withdraw some money, let's go ahead and click on the transact option at the very bottom here. And there's going to be an option in the move money category that says withdraw. So it's going to show you from, which is going to be the account that you have on file, and then to the bank that you have to be able to withdraw from. Currently, we don't have any money in this account, but obviously if it shows a dollar amount, you'll be able to withdraw from that. But if you do, you can click on continue right over here at the bottom right. It does tell you some important tax information if it's a retirement account, so something to just keep in mind. So we're gonna go ahead and click on continue right over here. Now on this page right over here, there is gonna be an option for tax withholding. So if you are pulling money out early, if it's a retirement account, or if you are pulling money out from a regular account, you're not gonna see the tax withholding portion. But you can see right over here, minimum is 10%. So if you put in, $1, it's gonna show 90 cents is what you're gonna get. So whatever amount you wanna put in, if it's a retirement account, keep that in mind. If it's going to be a regular account, this is just going to be the option where you put in the total that you want, preview it, make sure everything looks good, and then you can withdraw your money. And usually it takes anywhere from 2 to 5 business days for money to transfer from most brokerages into a bank account. So just something to keep in mind. Now I want you to keep on learning and growing when it comes to your investments. So check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.